Hi friends, this is Naga S. Siramat. I am working as Assistant Professor in CSE Department in MS Engineering College. In this video, I am going to explain Verilog programming. The main objective of this video is what is OR gate, what is the operation of OR gate, what is the truth table of OR gate, and what are the applications of OR gate. Then I am going to simulate OR gate using Verilog program with the help of the Xilinx software. Come, first we'll see what is OR gate. The symbol of OR gate, here I consider two input OR gate. A, B are the inputs and output will be the addition of inputs A and B. A plus B, that is A or B, I'll represent output by variable as Y. So AB input and Y is the output. If you see the truth table, here I have two input OR gate. So 2 to the power of 2, 4 combinations will get 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And output with respect to the OR gate. OR gate is nothing but addition of inputs. Or we can say in one word, if one of the input is high, the output is high. So here in the first combination, A is 0, B is 0, addition of 0 plus 0 is 0. Then second input, 0, A is 0, B is 1. So addition of 0 plus 1 is 1. Then another combination, that is 1 plus 0. So again it is 1. Here see, you can observe if one of the input is high, the output is high. In the last combination, A is 1, B is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0. In terms of binary addition is 0. But here OR gate, what it says, if one of the input is high, the output is high. So here the one of the input out of two inputs, 1 and 1. So here both our inputs are high, but one of the input is high. So we can consider the output is 1. Don't confuse in the addition of this OR gate combinations. If one of the input is high, the output is high. You can see in the combination, here is 1, here is 1, here also 1. So output is 1. If any one of the input is not high, then output will be low. So we can give the definition of OR gate, if one of the input is high, the output is high, otherwise it is low. So that is addition of inputs. Then if you see application of this OR gate, see normally in our daily life in the home, we have front door and also back door, and also we'll give the doorbell. See, either in the front door bell or in the back door bell is ring switched. That is, if you switch on the front door bell or back door bell, the output, that is output of OR gate, will be bell is ringing. Because if one of the input is high, see here, if you switch on the front door bell, that is if you switch the front door bell, that is on. So if back door bell is off, so output is high, because this is OR gate combination. So one of the input is high, the output is high, so the bell will be ringing. If at a time, if you bell, front doorbell as well as back doorbell, then also your doorbell will be ringing. So this is a simple application of OR gate. Now we'll see the Verilog program for this OR gate. The Verilog program starts with module, and module name I given as OR gate. Whatever I have as the circuit OR gate, that name I given as OR gate. This is module name, and in the bracket I represented constraints. What are these constraints? With respect to our circuit, which are the inputs and which are the output variables. Here input variables I consider AB, the output variable I consider as Y. So A, comma B, comma Y. In the next line, we have to represent these constraints separately as input and output. So here A and B are input, so I will represent input A comma B terminated with semicolon. Then output Y, that is variable Y output. Then what is the main logic of this circuit? That is addition of inputs A and A or B. That is, so assign is the keyword, Y equals to in the bracket A. This is the vertical bar symbol, that is an logic operator for the OR gate, A or B. The operation will be A or B, that is A addition with B, and result will be assigned to Y. Okay, that's what we explained in the truth table. Okay, so then we have to end the module. So with respect to module, it will be end the module. So this is the main Verilog program for the OR gate. Now we can simulate this program in the Xilinx software. Just I will open Xilinx software. Just it takes 1 minute. So here once it is open, just press OK. Now we have to create the project. So go to File, under File, select New Project. So we have to give the project name. I am doing OR gate project, so I will give OR gate. I will type OR gate, and given the location for storing saving the program, that is in the C drive under Xilinx folder, I created OR gate. If you want, you can change the location path also by clicking here. Okay, then next, press next, press next, press finish. So now after creating project, go to under project, new source, select new source. Here I am writing Verilog program, so select the Verilog module. After selecting Verilog module, give the Verilog module name, the file name. So again I will give OR gate. If you want, you can change the name. So I given here project name as well as module name, both are same. If you want, you can change the module name also, and press next, next, finish. So once if you created the module name, here the general syntax of Verilog program will be created in the text part. So here you can see module, the module name I given as OR gate. So here you can write the main, the body of the program. So as I explained already the logic of the program, just I will copy up the logic of the program and I will paste it here. So in the constraints, we consider a comma, b comma, and y. Okay, once if you write the code, then just save it. Here you have the save button, save it. After saving, select the implementation. This is the implementation. Under that implementation, select your file name, that is OR gate. Once if you select OR gate, you have to check the syntax of the program. So go under this synthesize. Under synthesize, you have check syntax. So check the syntax of the program. Any syntax is mistake in the program, that it will check. If it is correct, it will give right mark. If it is any errors, it gives a cross mark, and errors will be displayed in this window part. So by clicking this error, you will get the error information. Okay, so as I know, there is no errors in this syntax errors in this program. So it checks for the syntax errors, not the logic errors. So here I wrote for the with respect to OR gate. If we write something different operator here, so that will be correct for the some different operation, but not good for the OR gate. So only this check syntax is for only checking the syntax of the program. You return module correct or not, inputs, spelling, output, assign, and semicolon here, all the line semicolons with except end module. So these by checking all this, it will give the right mark here. So if you want, you can check the schematic view of your code. Whatever you code written for OR gate, that OR gate contains two inputs and one is output, that is Y. So that you can see in the schematic way. So just it will open. In that you can see the schematic representation of OR gate, that is your project. So starts with schematic of the top level block that you selected and press OK. So you can see this is the schematic representation of OR gate. It has two inputs and one output as we given the input and output combinations. Then if you double click on this, you will get the internal structure of the schematic. So internal it contains OR gate symbol having two inputs AB and output is Y. With respect to the port lines, it is considered I0 is port, I1 is port, and output O port. That is for signal transmission we need ports. So that is the reason port name is given as I0, I1, and O. It is automatically takes inside the software. Okay. Now we have to simulate the program. So after implementation, select here simulation. Under simulation, once if you selected simulation, select your file name or get. So then you'll get here iSim simulator. Under iSim simulator, double click on behavioral check syntax. So here I'm executing Verilog program. Under Verilog, I am going for the method of behavioral. So select the behavioral check syntax. Once it will get the right mark, then double click on simulation. So after simulating, here you will get the waveform of your waveform window of the OR-Gate project. So this is the waveform window. So here whatever variables you given inputs and outputs, those are name represented here A, B and Y. So I'll give the A value. So right click and go to force constant in terms of binary value. So I'll give A value is 0 according to truth table. I'll go, and it is cancel after time offset. So how many picoseconds you want for the representation of output. So I'll consider as 2 picoseconds. Apply. OK. Then B also I'll consider as value force constant, and I'll give as 0. This is 2. Apply. Okay, so I given the input combinations. So just you can run here. Run button is there. So once if you press run, you'll get the output waveforms here. So once if you click on this line, if you click on here, you will get the line here. This line shows the what is the value of this waveform. So here this value is 0, A is 0 and B is 0. So 0 plus 0. So output is 0 for OR-Gate first combination. Second combination I'll give force constant. A is 0. Time period I'll give 2 picosecond. Apply. OK. B value force constant. B value I'll give 1, and this is 2. Apply. OK. So now I given the value. So I'll just run the button. So you can see here A is 0, B is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. If one of the input is high, the output is high. So that is the second combination. I'll go for third combination, force constant. So now I'll give A is 1 and time period 2. Apply. OK. And B value, now I'll give 0. Time period is 2. OK. And run the button. So now you can see, so in this combination, so A is 1, B is 0 and your output is 1 because one of the input is high. So output is high. See here 1 0, this is 1. Then last combination. So now I will give A is 1, time period I will give 2. Apply. OK. And B also 1. This is last combinations. So apply. OK. According to your truth table, I given the values of inputs. So now last combination. See here the last combination, A is 1, B is 1. So one of the input is high, the output is also high. So you can see all the combinations, all the 4 combinations. So I represented here. This is 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. So that is the OR-Gate combinations outputs for all the 4 combinations. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share it and also subscribe. Thank you once again.